Extra mix of chilies, green chilies, jalapeno chilies, red chilies, yeah? Whatever chili you like. And I'll explain it later a bit further on what we're going to do with that.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to day number 22 Ramadan. Iftari day 22, back in the kitchen. And boy am I hungry today. Why am I hungry? Because I only had one packet of crisps in the morning with 2 cups of tea. And I'm hungry. And this kid here, yeah, wasn't interested. He didn't want to get up. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today is I'm pretty hungry. My turnips were a fail yesterday, so forget the turnips. I'm not doing the turnips. You know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to do a special Zeb #1 dish, which is... No, you could do chow mein business, yeah? I'm doing chicken liver on a tawa.
No garlic.
You know where the fridge is, isn't it? Go and get it yourself. I'm not going to get the garlic for him, innit? Yeah? He wants to do the cooking. Anyway, what am I making? Yeah, chicken liver on a tawa. With bread, with tomato, onions, chili, ginger, garlic. Then fry it in a bit on the tawa, and then obviously remember, give it a bit of flame grill, put it back in there and serve it on the tawa. That's going to be a fantastic dish. I'm getting hungry as we speak about it. Anyway, Usman as usual is not in the mood. I don't know why he's not in the mood, but that's his problem. Remember, it's like someone says, it's a you problem, yeah? You, if you're miserable, it's a you problem. It's not my problem. Anyway, let's get on with the cooking. Onwards and upwards.
What's going on? Why are you upset with me today?
I'm not upset. It's you who's upset. But anyway, Ramadan day number, what day is it?
21.
That proves he doesn't know he's not fasting, yeah? Yeah. He's got caught out. He got caught out. The man who doesn't know.
It's 23.
The man.
No day.
What day? He's got to 23.
It's 22nd.
Are you recording, yeah?
Yeah.
So the man who doesn't know what day of Rujai is the man proving himself that he holds 4 Rujai in one day.
Kika, my Rouge. One Rouge is 10 Rouge in one day.
Yeah, 10 Rujai in one day, yeah? Anyway.
What's going on here? What you got here?
Anyway, assalamu alaikum. Let me give you an introduction first.
Yeah.
Welcome to Ramadan day 22. It's 22 today, okay? 23 tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, another no Ramadan one. Yeah? Anyway, day 22, iftari 22, in the kitchen, back again, yeah?
What's going on then? What you got here?
What we got today is I'm doing a special. I'm doing a chicken liver.
Are you making chicken liver?
I'm making chicken liver on a tawa. Special request by Zeb #1 to do, yeah?
Okay.
His main dish this is, yeah? That he normally makes. And I'm going to make some and I'm going to send him a nice portion of it, yeah?
Okay.
But his
perfect,
portion is going to
inshallah.
be that chili. So I'm going to make a bit of onions with a bit of tomato, garlic, ginger. Mix it. Loads of chili today. I fancy loads of chili, yeah? So I'm hungry because I had a packet of crisps and 2 cups of tea.
Yeah.
And maybe a couple of dates in the morning, yeah? So normally I'll have a prata or a hash brown or a fish
No, I
finger.
didn't call you, yeah,
I made
you
the fish
don't
finger
know.
sandwich, it was very nice.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I made a hash brown one, that was even better.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a nice red chili. So I was hungry. Nobody decided to come and sort and help me
I
out.
called
with
you
the kitchen.
1:30 last night. You didn't answer.
You wanted to do iftari today, 1:30 in the morning, 1:30 in the morning, so iftari ki 1:30 in the morning, iftari. Yeah? And then goes to sleep 2 o'clock and forgot about Fajr, yeah? Anyway, yeah. Ha! Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm doing a chicken liver. What are you doing today?
Garlic, chow mein, chicken chow mein.
Chicken chow mein, yeah?
Yeah.
So we got them guys, he's doing chicken chow mein, I'm doing the chicken liver. Half the garlic, yeah? Half the garlic, he's cut this garlic, and half of it, look at that, half of it is thrown away. Yeah, but you don't have to like the garlic, peel the garlic, peel it like you should be doing it.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get the ingredients ready, come back to you. Garlic in, what are you doing? Did you make some, what are you doing? What were you doing?
No, that was green chili. That was in my. This is my
What's in here? What's in
This is
here?
my sauce for my noodles. In here you've got oyster sauce.
Yeah,
You've got soy sauce.
yeah,
You've got a bit of sugar.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pinch of salt.
yeah,
Black pepper.
yeah.
And
You were doing something in the langare, Waqti?
green chilies in it.
Green chili.
That's it.
Alright, okay, and you put that in there.
Yeah. And sorry, a tinge of sweet chili.
Okay. And what's the watermelon for?
That's so good. You guys are on that's not for me.
That's a job breaking time, yeah? Okay. The ginger's getting ready and me onions are getting ready for my tawa. And someone's had a Big John's. There's another Big John's. Kids enjoying a Big John before it's iftari. Gotta be done. Keep them quiet at dinner time.
That was your Big John's.
This is the guy who had the Big John's. Yeah? Tell us the truth. What did you have the Big John's? Right, Zaba, mush the drink, man. That's the mush the man. What's talking about? They don't understand.
God bless the guy who doesn't hold it.
No, you hold Ruja. I must say hold Ruja. Yeah. Anyway, making the dish, the door knocks again. Let me see what this is. Door knocks. The door knocks. Let's see what it is. Let's turn it around.
This is a good gesture.
A big shout out to Zep number 1. Sent me a couple of pizzas. Can't go wrong. In addition, we're gonna have the noodles, the chicken liver. John Zibda sent us some pizzas.
Thank you very much.
Big thank you to
We're gonna enjoy it.
Zeb number 1 from Denby Street. I'm gonna enjoy it. Anyway, there's other stuff. The door's knocked again. Let me see what else there is. Okay, big up my nephew Dawood. Matai, rice malai.
Big up died, rated.
Dawood sent that one,
Right.
yeah. So it's a lot of thank yous today because the door keeps on knocking anyway. It's a good thing I don't have to do that much cooking. Yeah,
It's true.
but anyway, that's a big thank you to Dawood. Done the garlic.
Garlic is done. This is all preparation for the stir fry.
Yeah.
Which we're not cooking right now. We're going to cook near the time.
Alright, okay. So that be done. My stuff is getting ready. I can check someone knock the door. Kids are doing my head in, yeah. The grandkids have come over. Someone slams one door, someone slams another door.
No, you wanted grandkids. We gave
I'm
you
gonna
grandkids.
sack all the grandkids. I don't want any grandkids in the house.
You want grandkids, we give you
They're
grandkids.
smashing all my doors. What can I do? Okay, we're coming over dinner. I don't mind, but behave. You know what I mean? Go out to the garden. Anyway, they went out to the garden and all the sand they threw everywhere. At least the dad can sort it out anyway.
Your grandkids.
I'm not interested. Don't fix your kids. Running around. Anyway, doors knocked again. Right. Let's see what we've got. Wow. Here we go again. What are these? Mini crooks. Cakes. Courtesy of KM Builders.
Uncle, thank you.
He probably thinks I'm not diabetic or something. He's sending me that many cakes. You know what I mean? Anyway.
Mama, thank you for the.
Thank you for the cakes. And also there's a thingy bob with it as well. There's a massive watermelon to have. So thank you very much. Let's get back to the cooking. Forget these.
Yeah.
You know why that happened? Because you put a karai oil in with water in it. That's a lesson you gotta learn.
No,
you make sure the
no,
karai is warm before you put the oil in. That was. Look at this guy. He's cooking in the kitchen, yeah? He's worse than KPK Udra. Yeah? In the kitchen, this guy is. When's the time? When's that challenge? When you gonna kill this guy, yeah? Look at his face cooking. Oh my god. Okay, a bit of oil. I'm using sesame seed oil. Yeah? Got his own taste. I don't know what this man's gonna do.
So, this has been marinated with soy sauce, a bit of what else? Black pepper, and what's that? Southern fried
The
tiger.
reason you use the packet. Okay. There's my onions. There's my ginger. And there's my garlic. What I'm going to do is a mixture. Put it in recycling, please. Don't leave it on the floor. No point kicking it and putting it back in it. You gotta teach these kids something there. Anyway, I'm gonna cut some onions for it. Make it like a pure pudding guard kind of thing. Or back one is chicken liver or something. So for those who don't know Pashto English, It's pure pudding hard with ginger, adrak, garlic, or tomato, mixed ham, or chicken liver. What do you call liver in Pashto? Yeah, no.
Come on. Wake up, man.
I got Ruja, man. Yeah. Okay, yeah, no. Next. The kids are smashing my doors in my house. I'm gonna cut this video. I'm gonna go kill these kids. I'm gonna quick mix the tashi, yeah. So just to grab
No,
some
man,
onions.
I wouldn't do like that.
Why? What's wrong with it?
Nah, man, I wouldn't do
Look
like
at the
that.
smell of this, yeah, and look at the smell of that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Then but you care what you mess around with my food, yeah? The Rujak getting it to me today, yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna have some high pressure in the kitchen today. Anyway, fry tomato. So you need to do me some tomatoes. Let me get some tomatoes to cook.
Doing with this, yeah. He's doing his thing. But as always, when God does something, it's gonna come out nice with my touch to it, yeah. So God, I've done my little thing to it, it's gonna come out nice.
Oh, put my stuff for it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, put 2 chilies in there. Remember, this is not hard, it's going to be on the power, yeah?
That unopened now.
Why are you screaming?
It shouldn't be like, like
No, you guys don't know how to make anything
Yeah,
anyway.
yeah,
At least
yeah.
I make it myself.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Definitely
don't do
Shane's
that.
going to come back to the kitchen, you know. You know
But I
what
wanted to say make a bit of garlic. What did you make? No, curry that you fixed up for him.
Bro,
Yeah,
I fixed
Shane.
up for him. But he didn't almost get us injured by the oil on our faces, did he? He only took his finger out, alright? Okay, my tomatoes are going in.
Taking
And
all the chili. I'm taking
oh,
the chili.
did you want the chili?
Yeah, but no, you can have them. Oh, what's the?
Oh, there's more chili, just get it. Is it Daniel for me or yours?
Half.
Okay, that's that one. Yeah, and let that simmer down to melt away. Bit of Vienna.
Yeah. That's starting to dry up. It's going to look more appetizing when I'm done with it. So let it dry up. And what we're going to add in as well, a bit of dhania to it. Yeah. Let this dry up. Once it's dry, I'll show you the next step.
Tomatoes melt. Let the ginger come along.
Whoa, God, that looks amazing, man. What did you do there?
Let it melt.
Was that the natural colours of what? Of
That's
the, of the
natural
chili?
colours of everything.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're not like you with 65 different things in there, yeah? So anyway. That really hating game or something.
No. You know what, yeah.
You know, I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to chuck them in.
Why?
I'm going to do it after I cook it. It sticks to this, doesn't it? So let me stick it on there. Let me throw
That's
the
dry
other.
enough now.
Huh?
That's dry enough.
What?
Chicken. It's dry, I think it's alright.
Yeah, chicken's done.
Chicken's done, yeah?
Yeah.
Aye.
Do you mind?
Yeah. The chicken is done. Yeah. Once the chicken is done, yeah, then you cover it with some foil.
You finished the cooker?
No, I need the cooker.
In there, let that just cook in there. It'll take a few minutes. And the colour will come out, but the colour's not coming out yet.
My packet's gone in as well, yeah? Here you go. Mix it around. Cook it for 7-8 minutes, yeah? I'll show you after it's done. You can go.
Okay.
Keep like you're stressing.
I'm not stressing. I'm turn it to the sizzler. I made the initial thing in there. And then I'm going to give it my sizzler taste. Then I'll put the sauces back on top after it's made in the tawa. Yeah. Also, we going there?
Sauce has gone in, yeah?
Sauce has gone in, yeah?
Cook it for another 7-8 minutes. and it's done.
Okay. Mine's gone off the tawa onto my grill. Yeah, give them a little mix. That's Usman's kitchen, yeah? Look at the kitchen, look at the cooker. It's so beautifully clean today. Everything is immaculate.
I got fucking why.
What Where's the oil?
Chili.
Chili. You're going to burn your eye now. Wash it out.
Why? A little bit high in the kitchen. Yeah. Going on.
My kill guy's done. My kill. Look at the size. Look at the state of my cooker. Show me your cooker. There's my. It's in pure putting our ginger, everything mixed in it, and then on the grill, dried up. That's gonna taste fabulous, yeah.
Yeah.
And what are you gonna put a garnish with?
I don't know. What do you think?
Garnish with a bit of what you call it?
Yeah.
Dania.
And that's my liver, and that should sizzle in a minute.
And Usman's creation on the cooker. Look.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, it's so good.
Watch it, it's trick.
And that's his noodles. So it's chicken noodles.
Nice. I enjoyed it.
Okay, it's very good. Anyway, remember, like, share, and subscribe. Usman's been with us today. We've had the pleasure of Usman being in the kitchen. The door has knocked as well, and we have received something else. Where is it gone? Courtesy of a Naeem, one of my nephews, Naan. Looks like a chapli kebab, a shami kebab, a pikola. Gonna enjoy that one. My creation. That's the chicken liver on a sizzler with some chili, coriander, garlic. It looks beautiful. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy it. I've got 5 minutes left. I'm gonna make a prayer, make a dua. Hope you've had a nice day. We've had a lovely day in the kitchen with Usman today. I'll just show you the kitchen before I go. Whoa! Usman, what do you reckon? A big achievement on the cooker?
You know what? It is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah? I think he needs banning. Please don't ask for Usman to come to the kitchen, yeah? Tell Latif, keep your mouth shut. We don't want him in the kitchen anymore, yeah? Keep your comments to yourself. That's the cooker. After Usman's finished with it, nice, pristine, clean place. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and we shall see you in the morning if I wake up. See you later.